Hey everyone, my name is Vivian from the Paper Letter blog, and today I'm going to show you how I make another loaded greeting card. So, while you see me struggle with opening this plastic, I'll tell you a little bit more about the swap that I created this loaded greeting card for. So we have this group on Swapbot called Nederlandse Swappers, which basically means Dutch swappers, and I host this group so that us Dutchies can save a little bit on swap/shipping costs, because international stamps are very expensive, blah blah blah. But anyways, a little while ago, one of my co-hosts, Jessica, she organized this loaded greeting card swap, and I had a lot of fun creating a loaded greeting card, and I filmed it and I uploaded this to my YouTube, and I got so much positive feedback. So many people liked the idea of doing a loaded greeting card that I thought, when we were doing a second version of this swap, I thought I would also make a second video. So here I am. I'm making this loaded greeting card today for Roxanne. And I'll tell you what I did on the front, because I have this card from Tangerine, which is a Dutch shop here in the Netherlands. It's cute but a little bit boring, so I thought I would add something extra to the front. So what I did is I used this to and from sticker and that really cute butterfly. So I put a butterfly on the front. Then there's a lot going on here. That's just my folder of project life cards. I'm just picking out, seeing which one would be fun to create a nice little pocket. And then that floral paper you see in the back is actually washi tape. A washi tape sheet, basically. So it's like a sticker sheet. And I picked out that minty green one with the pink and orange flowers. And that was just me measuring how big the card is, so that I could measure how big the background had to be. So that's just some simple paper that I have from The Action, which is also a store here in the Netherlands. I measured it up. I really like that paper. It's so simple but really cute. So I measured it, I used some double-sided tape, and I'm gonna stick that on the paper. And I don't know if you guys can hear this through the microphone, but my cat Noos is playing again. She, by the looks of it, she found another one of my hair ties, and she is dragging it into the bedroom now. Anyways, Noos loves to steal my hair ties. Crazy cat. And I love these swaps because I love the loaded greeting card in general, because it's so easy and fun, and it's so much nicer to receive a loaded greeting card over a normal greeting card. Am I right? Then yeah, that's the project life card that I chose. The project life card, and it says, "Don't count the days, make the days count." I think that's a really nice quote, and I'm just folding over the edges of that project life card to make a pocket. And I folded only a small edge, but I should have done a bigger edge, because it gets really difficult to glue down, like really difficult, and you'll see that in a second. Very smart. So while you see me struggle with the glue, I have a question for you guys, because you may know or realize that I'm doing a voiceover now, but I also sometimes do these videos where I film myself talking. So I was wondering if there's a difference for you guys, or if you prefer the voiceover one, or if you prefer the chatty one, or if you like both of them. So let me know in a comment down below. And yeah, this is bad. I should have, yeah, you see me stressing out a bit. You see me shaking my hands. That basically means I'm very frustrated, because the glue gets everywhere and it is not pretty. And I sort of, I could have put the pocket in there like straight, but I didn't. I don't really like that. I like to do it a little bit at a little bit of an angle, so that it's a little bit more playful. But it might look messy, I don't know. Depends on your taste. And I'm just out of frame here. Bye bye, Vivian. Oh yeah, because some of the glue got on the paper and I tried to, like, how do you call that, blot it up. Tried to get rid of that glue. Didn't really work, but and hello Noose. Yeah, look, she doesn't do that as often as when I started filming anymore, but this time she actually came over to say hi, to get some of that well-deserved camera time, and just to sniff my project. And that, what you see, those are just, they're also stickers. They're like washi tape stickers, washi tape strips, I guess. I got them from my dear pen pal Marge. They're really cute. I thought I would use one of them. And I'm again using the paper punches, my favorite supply. And I punch out some of that paper to make a little collage, because I love that Project Life card, but it's a little bit empty. So I just use some circles to spice it up a bit. And of course the Nuvo crystal drops. I love using Nuvo crystal drops. This is the buttermilk yellow. It just adds such a fun little dimension to the page. But obviously they need to dry for quite a few hours. This one is bubblegum blush, and the blue one is duck egg blue, in case you're wondering. They obviously need to dry for a few hours, so then I had to wait. Yep. And those are just some die cuts. I don't remember what they're from. Let me quickly check. But they are from Better Together from Amy Tangerine, I think. Yeah, they're from Better Together by Amy Tangerine. Really cute. And I'm just gluing a couple down, and that makes the page look so much better. I quite like how that turned out. And those are some foam stickers, so you can slightly elevate certain elements. Looks really cute. You have like a 3D effect. Yep. And it is the next day. The Nuvo crystal drops have dried, and I just showed you some of my current favorite tea, which is green tea with jasmine and pear. And I always complain that I don't like fruit teas, but this one is actually really good, and the pear is like quite subtle. So, and I have that cute little bag that I got from Wendy. Thank you again, Wendy. I did show her incoming mail in a video, but it's not online yet. I have a lot of those What My Pen Pal Sent Me videos ready to be edited. Yeah, I just need to edit them, but I don't want to upload them all in one go, you know. I'm the type of person also with dinner to save the best for last. So you're just gonna have to wait. No, I'll upload it soon, I promise. So I'm just tying that little baggy shut with the twine that she also gave me, and then I add that little tag that was also there with this little bag. She really made some really pretty meal, Wendy. I will show you very soon, I promise. And on that bag I just wrote my favorite tea and then the name of the tea. And I love doing it like this because as you could see, that tea did not have like a tea bag, and I love that I can use this little baggie to still send it, because I don't like to send like naked tea bags, as they call it. And these are some really pretty wax seals that I made. Those two are made with coins, the first two. Very difficult to do, doesn't really work, I think. And then some of my favorite from my new wax seal stamps. I also made a video if you want to check it out. So I made them on some kitchen paper. I'll tell you all about that in my wax seal supplies video. I'll also link it down below. and I'm going to gift her a few that I thought were really pretty. So I just put them in that little baggie. And then the paper that I'm using now is that washi or sticker paper, and it's very annoying to use. You'll see that in a second. Look, and it's stuck to itself. I should have done it differently, probably like a band-aid or something, you know, like what I'm doing now. You stick down one piece, then you take off a piece of the paper, then you stick down the next, etc, etc. But again, it's like, oh, I need it to be kind of perfect. I'm not 100% a perfectionist, but when it comes to crafting, I do like things to be the way I want it to be. How about you guys? Are you like perfectionists, or would it not bother you if this had wrinkles in it? This actually satisfying, like how it's super smooth now. I'm a little bit weird. Yep. And I really like how that paper has different colors, but also that pink and orange that is also on the other page. Then I'm just adding some more of that die cut, of those die cuts, because the page is still a little bit empty in my opinion. Don't know what I'm doing now. There we go. And then I'm just taking off the glue that is like on the back. Very clear. Good story, Vivian. And this is something I also really like to do. I just use a pen to sort of make little accents around the borders. It just gives the page a little bit more of a finished look. You will see that in a second. And then I'm finally using that washi tape sticker that I got from Marge. Luckily you can still reapply it because I got it on all wrong. And I like yellow. I like it. I don't know. Very good story. Then I'm just trying to figure out what to put where. Like, am I gonna put it in the pocket or on the right page? I have my tea, I have my wax seals, and I'm gonna make a little washi tape sample. Because who doesn't love washi tape samples, right? Yeah. By the way, I'm quite curious, if you're new to my channel, you may not know that I also have an Instagram page, and I did a little giveaway a little while ago where I gave away 5 envelopes filled with washi tape samples. Now I'm very stupid because I meant to do 4. So I made 4 envelopes, filled them up with washi tape samples that either I made myself or I received in swaps or pen pal letters and that I wasn't going to use. So it was a nice combination of all different sorts of washi tape samples. Made 4 envelopes, and then I picked 5 winners. Who does that? Who does that, seriously? I wouldn't say I was disappointed in myself, but it was typical, let me tell you that. I was very proud of myself. Also yesterday, I've been helping in the oh my god, did I tell you guys that already? I don't think I did. What? I need some story time. I've been helping in the cat cafe because you may or may not know that I'm going to work there. I'm going to be a waitress in the cat cafe. I'm super excited. I love coffee, I love cats, I love being a waitress, so it's perfect. But they're not open yet, so I've been helping with construction basically. Not really. What we're doing is we're like prepping the walls 2 times and then painting the walls 2 times, and it's a lot of work, a lot of hard work. It's super hot. Yesterday was 28.5 degrees in there, so it's basically like a sauna. But it's also a lot of fun. I get to meet my future boss, I got to meet some of my co-workers, and we're just, I don't know, working hard, having fun, prepping the cat cafe. So I've been doing that for the last couple of days, which is also why I'm not as active as I want to be. But yesterday I rode there on my bike and then I walked home, and then when I got home I realized I left my bike there. How smart is that? But one more thing I want to tell you about this swap is that I Oh, that's another smart thing I did. Okay, just a second. One thing I want to say about this is that I put everything together with washi tape on the back so that she can easily peel off that bag without ripping it. And then that is just a quick note that I wrote for her. I wrote her a little, no, that's just a note that I meant to write for her. But speaking about stupid things I have done in the last couple of days, I wrote "Read me," then I wrote "Dear Roxanne" on the inside, and then I sent it off like that. So when she received that swap, she just received an empty note. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. And I know that she's a cat lover too, so I sent her that cute card of a kitty and a pretty sticker bag with some of my favorite stickers. And also I got these cat stickers from Kirthana. I also made a video about that, still have to edit and upload. It will be online very soon. She sent me a beautiful Happy Meal including those cat stickers, so I wanted to share some with Roxanne. Also, Roxanne sent me mail as well. I keep forgetting to tell you all these things. Might have to redo this entire voiceover because I'm so messy, but Roxanne also sent me some Happy Meal because she's a subscriber and she wanted to make something for me, which is so sweet and makes me very excited for when I have my PO box. But yeah, that is just, I think that is it for now. I showed you everything that is in this envelope, including that letter that I forgot to write. I also decorated the envelope for this loaded greeting card. I uploaded the video for that last Monday, so if you want to check it out, I'll put the link in the description box down below, as well as all the other links. Really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to tell me in a comment. I really love reading those, or just leave a thumbs up. And I will see you guys next Monday. Bye bye!